guru kullu gara dalila nuwal injira wa kasakal tabe kabra wa kasakalam borala nuwal injira kanaga nu orchide naga nu bulchi ora bula ora na yero ummanni kenya du ummata kenya project go chutum no rajira oromon tude inuma liman namale wa anto ajemne argisisu kabna dia kastay jechu.
The national language of Ethiopia 11 years back, but I'm always warning our activists not to be taken away by language because Mallas is ruling us by using Amharic for months, and the Opido is serving him by using Oromifa from Oromia. So without undermining the role of language, I think the Oromos are going to make or break if we win the political battle for political power.
Sammu Oromo tusini, abdin Kenya sisini ya umman Oromo. Parlama gumin parlama Oromo isini akka hamma biyya godhanutti akka parlama Oromo tisini lala. Scientist akka Professor Muhammad Asafatas jira, Professor Makurea Bulchafatas jira, Professor Asafa Jallatatas jira. Hundi kun Professor Doctorata utusin kamnu fachadu, utusin kamnu Oromo na fachadu.
Legitimacy, we argue, requires a combination of a legitimating discourse, which we've heard in terms of a Christian nation, an ally in the war on terror, a democratic state in the Horn of Africa, whatever they want to use.
Religion is a dangerous thing in this liberal, modern society. So we have to guard ourselves from romanticizing religion.
Some of us, that democracy will not work in Ethiopia, is not working in Ethiopia. Despite that view, we still need to fight. We told, when we got elected in 2005, we told our people something new. What is it? We told them for once that they have another weapon with which they can fight. What is that weapon? That weapon is our voting power.
Consistently impacting Oromuma, or the Oromo identity. The Oromo identity has been consistently impacted by religion. Islam, Christianity, or even the traditional Oromo religion did not change their policies, their approach, their impacts, or their influence.
Command overlap, but there is no overlap. Always the party overrides the government, which means, although, for example, the president of the Oromia region, he takes order from Mallas Zenawi, or even from Siyum Mesfin, Arkaba Ekubat, or